It's 6:47 right now. It is downright muggy out there. Huh?
And you're going to want to keep that rain gear handy because more storms are potentially on its way this morning, Rob.
Yeah, most of North Alabama dry right now, but seeing some pockets of some heavier rain moving through Morgan County and into Marshall County right now. You can see some of those raindrops on our Decatur sky cam. Temperatures in the low 70s, and it's just muggy out there. You step outside for 5 minutes and you're going to start sweating. And this is what we've been dealing with through the last few days. Look at this. This is kind of a wide view, regional view of this just massive cluster of thunderstorms working through parts of Mississippi, crossing over into Alabama. And you'll notice that it's heading more towards the Birmingham area. We're just kind of right on the northern fringe of this giant complex of storms. And that's why we're seeing most of the rain right now south of the Tennessee River. But hey, if you're over, let's say by Hartselle area, Falkville area in Morgan County, you're seeing some heavy rain right now, right over top of I-65. And just seeing some of that heavier rain developing in Marshall County, closer to Arab, closer to the Gunnersville area. Zooming in on Arab, again, just heavy rain going right over top of Highway 231. This is all moving almost due east at this point. And then closer to Morgan County, there's Highway 31, there's I-65, and there's Hartselle. And again, that rain moving right over top of Hartselle right now. Not seeing any cloud to ground lightning. That potential does pick up, though, through the rest of this morning and into this afternoon. But just plain old moderate to heavy rainfall if you get inside of these clusters of showers this morning. By the afternoon, we make it up to about the low 80s, and that's more than enough warming to see the instability to bring those scattered showers and storms. And just keep in mind, we've seen 3 to 4 inches of rain for areas west of I-65, closer to the Mississippi state line through the last few days. So any additional rainfall, that could bring that flood threat to creeks and streams, but also flash flooding. This is around 7:30 this morning, so about 45 minutes from now. Doing a pretty good job with these showers and even potential storms staying mostly south of the Tennessee River. This is right around lunchtime today. But with that heat, we'll start to see the chances picking up for everyone, even north of the river. And as you get into these reds and into some of these darker colors, that's indicating heavy rainfall. Most of this, again, all the way through the late afternoon hours and into this evening. Starting to die down some by about 7 o'clock this evening, but still seeing some strong storms moving through Morgan County. Could even see some lingering showers and storms into the overnight hours. So just more rainfall all the way through your Friday morning. Through the rest of your Friday morning and into your Friday afternoon, as we wrap up the work week, we're not seeing as much rainfall, so that's some good news. That'll allow for highs to make it up into the mid-80s, maybe even some upper 80s tomorrow. And then by Friday evening, we do have a cluster of storms dropping in from out of Tennessee. But once that clears by Friday night, we're going to start to see some drier air working in, and we're going to start to see the chances for showers and storms dropping off beginning on Saturday. About a 30% chance for your Saturday afternoon, but many areas will stay dry both Saturday and Sunday. And with less storms, that means we're going to get a little bit more sunshine breaking through, and that's going to make for highs closer to about 90. I think there could even be a few spots closer to 92, 93 by Monday and Tuesday of next week. So it will be hot once we get out of this wet pattern for North Alabama. But just in time for the Trash Pandas to make it home at Toyota Field on Tuesday, we're going to dry things out. So hopefully getting at least most of those games in next week with that new home stand, again, out at Toyota Field. Through the next 48 hours, we expect anywhere from about a half an inch to inch of rain, higher totals south of the Tennessee River.
All right, 6